Hello everyone, hope you are doing so well and enjoying TEDs and hope you had mostly a great bullish move today with the help of yesterday's technical analysis or data mix trade analysis given by me and levels also. So let's see what market give us today and what was our analysis. Our analysis was simple to buy from the level and we got a good entry with the good support and resistance. Okay, so today's resistance was respected well, but market was so bullish, so all resistance broken and nothing weakness visible here, almost null. Weakness is nothing, even a single candle not closing, even a 5 minute candle not closing below previous candle. Okay, so there is no weakness in technical term. In Nifty and Bank Nifty also you can see the sharp move, and this sharp move was predictable easily. Okay, in the yesterday's technical analysis video I told about don't sort anywhere because there is a so upper level for take a short entry. You can see here I told about no short entry until a long level in the Bank Nifty for a swing time of entry for the short only from that level, otherwise there is no short entry. Okay, you can take intraday resistance entry in that level, or you can short on till that level, which is 500 level actually. Otherwise, don't short in this between that level, or don't take long between that level. You can take long entry from here or from here. Okay, so your SL will be something like on that way. Okay, now let's talk about data of. So in yesterday's video, I clearly told don't sort, especially in the middle range. Okay, and our level was so high for the sorting as a taking swing. So swing sort said are not suggested by me yesterday because of this move, and this move was a clearly predictable. Okay, so we predicted so well, and I was out of home for some work, so I carry some debit splits and enjoying the things. Now let's talk about today's technical analysis and then we will move to data. So today's technical analysis is saying that we are still in bullish move, and bullish move we can carry till that level. We can carry till that level, or bullish means a big person if we are carrying it, so FI can take to this level. This bullish move we have a nearly 36 200 sorry 3700 or 3600, nearly 600 point more we have for upside in Nifty Bank. So over, yes, tomorrow maybe we can get a gap up. Okay, so don't worry if we get up and we can enter from that level if we get gap up. Okay, so don't worry and don't panic. If gap up, then wait and trade initiate only on that level. Otherwise don't short or don't long in between that range. Okay, late entry is not allowed in today's and this type of scenario, because we don't have much volume in this market, so we can spike also. So late entry is not allowed, and you can take good entry from these levels. Okay, to the support and to the resistance only. So you can enter from that level, and our first target is this. or this is our first target, and this is our second target. Second target is 37,200 and first target is 36,800. Okay, so if we got gap up and you are a scalar type person, so you can sort through this level for that much move, but this is for only for scalper. If you get a gap up and a single candle can give downside move till that level, okay, only for scalpers, otherwise this is not suggested. Now move to Nifty. What's in Nifty? Nifty taking a support. First it break resistance and taking now support to pull back, and we can open a gap up tomorrow. So if we get nearly that level, above that level means a 16,000, 16,600, sorry, it's 17,000, it's 17,000 because we are moving to 16,000, so the strike is already pre-minded set, so it's a 17,636. So you can carry long above that level, okay, for this range, or the resistance is this one. So you can carry with this SL or this entry, you can carry for the longs, or otherwise wait for some sort you can only make on that level, otherwise don't carry it, because with the new trend, with the new bullish moves, Nifty opening new gates for making new higher high, okay, so don't try to get short, otherwise your hand will be fired by market automatically. So trade in peace and track each and everything, because once you get a right entry, you can wait for moves with the lowest SL. So don't try to get each and every move with the so wide SL and a entry from nowhere. मीन्स कहीं भी एंट्री ले लो, जहां भी एंट्री मिले ले लो, और फिर बाद में वेट करो कि कब पुल बैक आए, और पुल बैक आए तो तुम पैनिक करोगे मेरा एसएल बड़ा है, एसएल हिट नहीं हुआ है. सो डोंट ट्राई टू ईट ईच एंड एवरी मूव टू एंटर middle of the move without support and resistance, okay, so enter only on support and resistance, or otherwise leave it. मार्केट को जहां है वो जाना है वो छोड़ दो, जहां पे तुम्हें सही एसएल मिले वहीं इंटर करो. Okay, now let's move to data. Let's talk about data. So what data saying is, data saying FI carrying nearly 5k future longs and keeping some short also, unwinding. So this is a good bullish sign, and I'm happy with this because I have some bullish debit spread. So this is call unwind and call short unwind also. This is not a big task because this is a haze unwind, and put long and put short. This put long is some maybe just for the next time downside move, and this is making some cautious to me. But put short, it's a good sign to spot the bullish move. So yeah, as technical saying, we are in the bullish mode. So this is saying we will open gap up, or give a market will give a new bullish move. So stock future long, it's a really good sign here. This sign saying we can test again a Nifty's last higher high. So we can test nearly 18k or 18,200 something, okay, so we can test again that level, this point saying, and carrying some short also, okay. So this is for hedge purpose, and call longs, this is good, and call short, this is nothing, almost null, okay. So put long, this is just for hedge purpose, this is hedge. And if I brought some cash nearly 900, or DII also brought nearly 800. This is a good sign for tomorrow. So tomorrow we will gap up, and our entry is the everything in our intraday. Otherwise we can move to even a loss or even a gain. If we are on a good ride or in a good trade with some great sport or some resistance, we can do much more better things. Okay, so hope we are doing something great. Okay, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.